Hello everyone, this is Aditya. How are you? I hope you all guys are good. Now we discuss about the phone of Samsung M56. Compared to M55, they upgraded a lot in this phone, particularly in Samsung M56. In box, they are providing documentation, SIM card pool, Type-C cable, charge, and 45 watts charger, and etc. etc. Design absolutely looks good, and when coming to the design, and it's coming with a Gorilla Glass witness protection is there. If we discuss about the ports and buttons, speaker grills, USB Type C and microphone and noise cancellation microphone and left hand side volume rockers and power button. Sorry, right hand side volume buttons and power button. While coming to the thickness, 7.2 mm thickness is there and 6.7 inches Full HD plus display, AMOLED display. While coming to the bezels are thin in size. 1200 nits peak brightness is there. Exynos 4080 processor. Two variants 8GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 256GB and LPDD R5X RAM type and UFS 3.1 storage type. While coming to the price range, this price may be 29,000 will be there, including the bank offers you may get 24,999 rupees including the bank offers. 5000 mAh battery and 45 watts charging is there and Antu score up to 7 lakhs is there. We can play PUBG in 60 FPS without any lag or any obstacles, so we can play smoothly in 60 FPS ratio. One UI 7 based on Android 15. 6 years major updates. Now coming to the multimedia is absolutely good. Coming to the video side and as well as the audio side is mono speakers are there particularly. Now coming to the AI features, all are same as the M55. Only some very good things are there. Stickers, AI generating stickers using our images. So this particular thing is somewhat they upgraded coming to the AI if we compare to the M55 Samsung. Connectivity Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3. Now we discuss about the cameras 50 MP primary camera and 8 MP ultra wide camera and 2 MP macro camera. But coming to the selfie camera is 12 MP is there. And now we talk about the sensors. The sensors are ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and face lock and all sensors are available. Now coming to the performance, CPU throughput test is absolutely good and cooling system and everything looks good in this phone. Basically from my side I like Samsung very much because they improve a lot in a base variant or a top variant. They improve a lot. So this is our video. If you like our video, please do support and subscribe. Please do. Thank you.